Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel Study with Simma. Today we will be learning about acids and bases, which is a chemistry topic. So before we start, please like, share, comment, subscribe and hit the notification bell. So also remember to share my channel to all your friends and family so they can subscribe as well. So let's move on with the video. So first, let's start with learning what is an acid. Acids are compounds that release positively charged particles of hydrogen called hydrogen ions when dissolved in water. These ions are highly reactive and can bond to other substances and have a corrosive effect on them. The strength of an acid depends on the number of hydrogen ions that it can release. Now let's see what is a base. Base is a compound that reacts with an acid by accepting its hydrogen ions. The most reactive bases are soluble compounds called alkalis. As it dissolves, an alkali releases hydroxide ions. The hydrogen and hydroxide ions combine very readily to form water, so the reaction between an acid and an alkali is often vigorous. I'm so sorry to write best here, but it should be base. Now let's read ahead. Weak acids. Acids which have a covalent structure do not break up into ions so easily. They have complex molecules, but sometimes the bond holding a certain hydrogen ion weakens, allowing it to break off. So here are some names, their formulas, and where they can be found. Now let's read some more. Common alkalis. Any compound with a hydroxide ion is known as an alkali. Alkalis are used in industry to make soaps and are added to waste to help it decay more rapidly. So here again are some names, their formulas and where they are found. Now as we read about weak acids, we'll read about strong acids. The most powerful acids are ionically bonded compounds. They split into hydrogen and other ions completely when dissolved in water, thus releasing a large quantities of free hydrogen ions. Now again, these are the names, formulas and where they can be found. Now let's see some acids from strong to bases. Now here the most strong acid is the stomach acid. An acid with a pH of 1 has a very high concentration of hydrogen ions. Second one is lemon juice. The third one is vinegar. The fourth one is tomato. An acid with, with a pH of 4 has 10 times as many hydrogen ions as an acid with a pH of 5. Now the fifth is black coffee, the sixth is milk. Now we are going to the bases. The seventh is pure water. So as you can see, as the colors here are cooling down, which means they're coming to cool colors, we get the bases. So the eighth one is human blood. The ninth one is baking soda. The 10th one is antacid tablets. The 11th one is ammonia. The 12th is bleach. The 13th is oven cleaner. And the last, which is the weakest and the weakest acid but the strongest alkali, is drain cleaner. So here, hydrogen ions are very rare in alkaline solutions. Neutralization. The reaction between an acid and an alkali is called neutralization because it results in product that on the acid or alkali. One of the products is always water. Other known as the salt is a compound formed from the leftover ions. I'm so sorry here also a sentence is written wrong. But let me read that correctly so you can understand it correctly as well. So the sentence should be that neutralization, the reaction between an acid and an alkali is called neutralization because it results in products that are neither acid nor alkali. One of the products is always water. The other, known as the salt, is a compound formed from the leftover ions. I'm so sorry for the mistake, but by listening to me, you can understand what is neutralization. Measuring acidity. Acidity is measured in pH, which stands for power of hydrogen. Neutral substances such as water have a pH of 7. A substance with a pH lower than this is acidic. One with a pH higher than this is alkaline. The pH measures the concentration of hydrogen ions. Each whole pH number on the scale is 10 times more acidic or basic than the previous number. For example, a substance with a pH of 6 has 10 times more hydrogen ions in it than water, has a pH of 7. Now, indicators. Chemicals used to test whether a substance is acid or alkaline are called indicators. Litmus was the first indicator used to show pH. It produces a red color for acid and blue color for alkaline. However, its range of colors is limited, making it hard to judge the precise pH. A dye called universal indicator is more practical and produces a wide range of colors indicating where the solution fits in the pH scale. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. So, also remember to share my channel to your friends and family so they can subscribe as well. I'll see you in my next video.